Model, 2002 Volkswagen Transporter T4 Tdi Swb. Spares repairs, needs a replacement engine. Body, grey, white, panel van. Mileage, 244,622. MOT, the 27th of March 2025. Engine, 2461 cc 2.5 TDI 88. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, engine valves are bent. Timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.